In this video, I'm going to show you how to download firmware onto a USB. Firstly, just go in and enter the model of your printer. In this case, I'm just going to use the 77830. Then after that, also type in firmware as shown in there. So HP support was where you want to go. So as you can see, it comes up as the first one. From there, you just want to make sure to check that your operating system is correct. Go to firmware download, so the latest one will always be the top. You can see it's downloading there. This is one I downloaded earlier. From there, it will come through as a zipped up file. All you have to do is extract. Open up. And the firmware file will be this BDL file. So from there, just copy and paste this BDL file into a USB. Then you can plug it into the printer and download it.